International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, 1972 Part A, General Rule 1 Application A. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith navigable by sea-going vessels. B. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of special rules made by an appropriate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes or inland waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by sea-going vessels. Such special rules shall conform as closely as possible to these rules. C. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by the government of any state with respect to additional station or signal lights or whistle signals for ships of war and vessels proceedings under convoy, or with respect to additional station or signal lights for fishing vessels engaged in fishing as a fleet. These additional stations or signal lights or whistle signals shall, so far as possible, be such that they cannot be mistaken for any light or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. D. Traffic separation schemes may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. A. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel of special construction or purpose cannot comply fully with the provisions of any of these rules with respect to the number, position, range or hour of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliances, without interfering with the special function of the vessel, such vessel shall comply with such other provisions in regard to the number, position, range or hour of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliances, as per government shall have determined to be the closest possible compliance with these rules in respect of that vessel.